If you are looking for an easy but elegant side dish, roasted Chipotle honey carrots are it. Tricolor carrots give an extra pop of color that are a feast for the eyes. Chipotle honey gives a delicious sweetness with a subtle kick. So grab a cup of hot cocoa. It's time to bake some magic in Mrs. Kringle's kitchen. Make sure you hit the red subscribe button and click the bell to be notified when new videos go live. For returning subscribers, welcome back. I get my tricolors at Trader Joe's, but more grocery stores are carrying them. Obviously, regular carrots are fine. Carefully peel all of the carrots and cut off each end. Just a word if you're using the tricolor carrots. The purple ones do leach the color, so wash your wooden board quickly after cutting them. Turn your sharp knife about 45 degrees to do a diagonal or bias cut, making sure to keep the cuts as even as possible as you cut from the thinnest to the thickest part. It just looks fancier that way. Preheat your oven to 450 degrees. Drizzle a tablespoon of olive oil on a cookie sheet and rub it to coat the entire sheet. Evenly spread the carrots onto the sheet pan so they aren't touching. Season with some fresh cracked black pepper and some coarse salt. Place in the oven for 7 minutes. Then move the carrots around so they don't stick, and back into the oven for 14 more minutes, making sure to turn the carrots again at the 7-minute mark. They'll come out all nice and roasted, and you could totally stop there if you wanted to. Beekman 1802 makes a delicious Chipotle honey that is perfect for glazing veggies. It's not spicy, but has just enough kick to let you know it's there. Drizzle the honey over the carrots and then toss to coat with your spatula, and you're ready to serve. Roasted Chipotle honey carrots are an excellent side dish to any meal, including the holidays. The delicious undertones of Chipotle honey with the perfectly roasted carrots will satisfy the pickiest eater. It turns a random Tuesday night dinner into something special. For the full printable recipe, head on over to mrskringleskitchen.com. Don't forget to like, comment, and share the love with your family and friends.